It's always so hard to dance all day. Mm-hmm. I'm so thirsty. I want something to drink. Yeah, remember your favorite drink? Boba, right? Boba, that's it. How do you sign boba? Boba. Right, boba. Wait, someone's watching us. What should we do? Hi. Hi, my name is Antoine Hunter. My name is Trinity. Awesome. But do you know about the Bay Area International Deaf Dance Festival? Yes, I do. Yes, you do. That's when people from all over the world fly in and dance and perform. It's incredible. It's really nice that they come and people can see them perform. It's just so important. Kind. Yes, it's kind and truly important that we have a space to dance. But remember, we talked about this yesterday? What about people like you? People who need to dance. Who need to dance, right? Yeah, I can dance like this. Get this, the Bay Area International Deaf Dance Festival will host our youth dance workshop. Yay, so stoked, woo! I know, I'm excited too, but tell people why it's important for youth to dance. It's important for youth to dance because they need opportunities for movement and expression. I agree, and I'd love to know, besides deaf youth, who can join? Can Kodos join? Yes. Can hearing people join? Absolutely. Anyone can join. Anyone? You mean cats and dogs can join? No, I don't think so. We're funny. Let's go ahead and show our dance. Ready?